Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. A few days ago, OpenAI released the group chat feature inside ChatGPT, and today they're following it up with something even more interesting, the brand new shopping research feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly what the shopping research feature does, how it works, and a full step-by-step demo so you can see the entire process from start to finish. Let's dive in. So first, what is this feature and why is everyone talking about it? When you open ChatGPT, you'll notice a small plus button. Inside that menu, there's now a new mode called Shopping Research. This is basically OpenAI's built-in shopping assistant. So you type a product you want, anything from laptops to furniture to clothes, and instead of you jumping between Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Lazada, and five different random websites, ChatGPT does all the searching, comparing, and filtering for you. Isn't it amazing? So it asks follow up questions like what's your budget, any specific colors, what size do you prefer, what brand do you like, do you need it for gaming, school, work, anything like that. And after gathering all that info, it scans the internet and brings everything back in a clean, structured format. So it basically acts like your personal shopping agent. So you don't have to hunt or compare or double check every site. You just answer questions and ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. Before I show you the demo, let me quickly walk you through the use cases OpenAI highlighted because these examples really show how powerful this feature is. So the first one is discovering new products. For example, help me find a powerful gaming laptop under $1,000. So ChatGPT finds all the models, lists prices, and gives recommendations. So super useful if you're shopping for something technical. Comparing multiple products, so let's say you already have a few models in mind. You can paste them in and ask ChatGPT to compare these strollers. So ChatGPT will list pros, cons, pricing, and even highlight what's best for your needs. Next is choosing gifts. So if you don't know what to buy, you can ask something like, I need a gift for my dad who loves fishing. Then ChatGPT will suggest tailored gift ideas based on the person, their hobbies, and your budget, of course. Next is finding deals. So this is especially useful during sales seasons. So you can say, find me the best Black Friday deals on student sneakers. Then ChatGPT will collect discounts from different websites. So isn't it amazing? Those are the most common ways this feature can help. But honestly, anything related to product research can work. So my prompt is, I'm a content creator. Can you help me find a laptop that's right for my workflow? I'll switch to the shopping research mode and hit send. So immediately, ChatGPT starts the research process. So it says starting shopping research and opens the setup flows. So the first question it asks is my budget. So if you didn't specify one in your prompt, it will give you options like up to $800, $1,500, 25 or 25 plus, or you can type any custom number. For this one, I'll choose $1,500. So it's completely flexible. Let's click on continue. Next, it asks for the main editing test. So I'll choose video editing, graphic design, and photo editing. Continue. Next, it asks for the preferred screen size. So I'll choose 13 to 14 inches and 15 to 16 inches. Click continue. Next, it asks for the operating system, Windows or Mac OS. Since I'm a content creator, I'll just click on both are fine. And once that's done, ChatGPT starts pulling information from around the web. So it gathers all the filters I just gave and begins scanning for laptops that match. After a few seconds, it shows a list of laptops. So each item has a picture, short description, and price range. Now, here's the cool part. For every product, I can mark interested or not interested. So if I choose not interested, it has why, so it can refine the search even more. So you have reasons include style, price, too bulky, specs not good, doesn't match preferences. This feedback loop helps ChatGPT personalize the results. So I'll mark a few as more like this and mark a few as not interested to train the recommendation engine. After that, ChatGPT finalizes my preferences. So now it gives me a full summary panel. So it shows my selected preferences, chosen budget, performance priority, screen size, operating system. Then it highlights the best overall laptop for my needs. So it includes a direct purchase link, why it's the best, expert reviewer opinions, key specs, pros and cons, but it doesn't stop there. It also gives top picks, alternative options, budget friendly options, performance focused options, so other great picks with explanations. Each one includes a link so you can check the product on its respective website. If you click on any item inside ChatGPT, you get a full expanded view. So you have specs, ratings, reasons to buy or skip, and even competitor comparison. So basically, you can do your entire product research inside ChatGPT without opening multiple tabs. So all that's left is clicking the link and making the purchase. That's how the new shopping research feature works. I think this is going to be extremely useful for students, creators, tech shoppers, marketers, or honestly anyone who doesn't want to spend hours comparing products manually. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Calcy, breakthrough AI telephony app. Human-like AI telephone agents work 24/7 to land you more sales, appointments, and grow your profits without manual effort. Calcy offers real-time voice for real conversations. Calcy becomes an expert on your business in minutes. Feed in your calling scripts and FAQs. Choose the perfect voice to represent your brand. Speaks to your prospects in any language. Quality and warm up prospects. Book appointments. Create reminders. Conduct surveys. Handle incoming calls. Calcy can do instant calls with custom agenda. Reach global phone numbers. Great for scheduling options. Keeps call transcripts for your review. Calcy can send SMS with purchase links. 100% compliant with cold calling and D&D regulations. Create multiple campaigns for specific businesses and call outcomes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Calcy now. Just go to getcalcy.in.